Hi, this is Candy, and in this video I'm going to give you some tips on how to organize your Google Classroom. The first thing I do is I make sure that my stream is just for announcements, so I don't have the post to the stream for my classwork. And I have another video on how to shut that off. And then in my classwork section, I organize by week when we're doing remote learning. Because it just makes more sense rather than them trying to keep the unit. I put the week number and I put the dates that I'm expecting them to do. I also designate each week. I started doing this where I put a little emoji in there. So it kind of makes it interesting for them. It changes, it adds a little bit of color to Google Classroom so it's not just so black, white, and gray. And then they know everything for this week is that snowflake. And then within the topic, so I added that topic for the week. Within that topic, I put an agenda in there for every day that I have class. And then in the agenda, I tell them what we're going to be doing. And then I try to, underneath the agenda is where I post what we're doing for the day. And you'll notice that I use my emojis again. So I have an icon picked for video. I have an icon that's consistent for homework. I've got an icon that's consistent for notes. So they know, hey, I'm doing a homework assignment. I need to look for the green check mark. I need to watch a video. I need to look for the little video camera. I'm looking for today's agenda. I'm going to look for the little clipboard. And I'm very explicit. I say the day of the week and I say the date on there. So that way they know. And then I just kind of stacks on top of each other for the week. So that way they can kind of go through the week. If they don't like this view of it, again, they can just click on this over here and they can see another different view of it. So that way it's laid out just a little differently. Some people like one view versus the other. But that's how I organize. I hope that helps, and I hope you have a great day.